Generate a perfect AI character, then the next scene, different jaw, different eyes, scar disappear. If your AI characters change everything, it's not a model, it's your prompt structure. Now, most people are prompting for scenes, they're not prompting for identity. So if you want a cinematic consistency, you need a character anchor system, not just better adjectives. Now let me show you how to lock one character across multiple scenes, multiple environments without training an AI model. Alright guys, so welcome to my document where I have my character consistency prompt made available as usual, and I'll be making all these prompts available in the comment section and also in the description so you can join, and everything will be added to the Telegram community. We're heading to Gemini over here. We're going to be using Nano Banana Pro to lock our character today, guys. So first off, let us start off with what we have here as the master identity. So we need to create our master identity, and these are not just source, these are anchors that tells the AI and forces the AI to maintain the specific stuff on the character's body, and then reminds it that the first character is supposed to be applied across all this. So let us go ahead and generate our DNA. Actually, now we are not generating the video, we are generating just image. So click on this, select this and keep it on the thinking, then you paste the prompt over here, guys. We are using Nano Banana Pro, so immediately Nano Banana Pro will begin to load up and give us some results. So here is our first result, and this is our identity lock. This is not a cinematic shot, this is a DNA file. Now you have to notice clearly, let us zoom in. You have to notice the 3 meters jagged scar on the left eyebrow. You can see across all this, and also this is not decoration, this is a logic anchor. We are just basically signaling the AI that this is what we want, and this is going to force the AI to maintain the consistency across all these. The gray iris color, the jawline geometry, the stop to density, these are the identity lock. These are things we're going to be using to force the AI to lock for us. So let us proceed to the prompt 2 and see how we maintain consistency across. Come back to Google Gemini. So we have to download this particular image first. Go ahead and upload it. So this is our identity, and we must upload it so it keeps that reference image logic intact, guys. So we have everything in our cinematic 35mm film grain, high contrast. So we are literally changing the environment and seeing how consistent Nano Banana Pro can still keep this. Alright, so you can see our result, and if you compare both characters, they are absolutely the same. You can see the scar, you can see the gray iris, guys. So you notice how I keep mentioning the 3mm jagged scar. Now, like I said earlier, this isn't just for decoration. This is what I call a logic anchor, and by this is forcing Nano Banana Pro to render a specific tiny detail on the face, and it also forces the AI to pay maximum attention to the facial map, guys. If you just say a rugged man, then the AI get lazy, but if you say scar on left eyebrow like I indicated, the AI has to focus, and this is how you hack consistency, guys. So moving up to the next prompt over here is the prompt 3, guys. So we are going to be stressing the AI, and go ahead and proceed with the prompt 3. I'll upload my identity lock sheet obviously, and then I'll smash on the submit, and Nano Banana Pro will go ahead and still give me this. Now this is called the stress method. We are stressing the AI and seeing if it can still keep these details intact. The 3mm jagged scar, the iris gray, and the eyebrow and everything, the texture, the skin. This is what we want to do, and here we go. It actually gave us exact. So you can see how the scar is still on the left eyebrow. You can see the gray iris. You can see the hair texture, the body, and a whole different costume, whole different environment, and different lighting entirely. So this is what I'm saying exactly. Nano Banana Pro render engines are forced to maintain and pay attention to this specific little tiny details, guys. So this is basically how you hold it, guys. So before you get a good cinematic video, you need to keep the characters consistency, and this is how you can do it, guys. Now, if this video was helpful, please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on the bell, drop a comment, tell me what you think. See you all next time.